Would you like to supercharge the abilities of Foxit AI Assistant? Set up the MCP Host to connect to tools like Gmail, Jira, Notion, or Salesforce. With just a few steps, you'll unlock powerful workflows right from inside Foxit PDF Editor. MCP stands for Model Context Protocol. Think of it like a USB-C port for AI. It standardizes how AI tools connect with external data sources. Foxit PDF Editor is the first native MCP host within the PDF industry. It allows your AI assistant to fetch data, trigger actions, and connect to enterprise systems, all from inside the PDF workspace. It's super easy to get started. Open the AI Assistant panel. Then click the arrow next to the MCP tool icon. Then click Add MCP Server. Choose your server type: Standard Input-Output, SSE, or Streamable HTTP. Let's add my Gmail, which works best with Streamable HTTP. To do this, I'll use an MCP provider to gather the connection details for Gmail. These providers give you the information you need to easily set up connections to various apps. Paste the copied MCP endpoint URL into the URL field. Click Add. You'll now see the new server listed with its available tools. Now, let's see what this MCP integration can do. In AI Chat, click the MCP Host tool and enable Gmail. Ask your question. As a safety, AI Assistant will show you what it's about to execute. You can continue or refuse. Click the arrow by Continue to always allow this action if you'd like. I'll download the attachment and add the market research report to the AI chat. I'll ask for a summary. Great. I'll email that to my supervisor. Foxit AI Assistant's MCP can do so much more than send emails. I can extract key financial figures and update opportunities with Salesforce, keep on top of my to-dos with Notion, and generate Jira tickets for the development team, right from inside Foxit PDF Editor. Need more information? Check out www.foxit.com. Did you find this helpful? Browse through our other tutorials now. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and click the bell for alerts.